Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 8, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 8.2, question number 5. Obtain the product of the given terms. So for each and every problem they have given some of the terms, we have to find out the product. Find out the product means we have to obtain the multiplication of the given terms. So let me take the first problem. They have given that xy, yz and zx. We need to find out the product. So product is given by xy into yz into zx. Okay, xy into yz into zx. So here what are all the variables which is repeated that you can write or combine first. So here x is repeated here as well as here. Okay, so that you can combine in one bracket. So x into x. And then y is repeated 2 times. So that I can take it another bracket, y into y. Then z is repeated for 2 times. That I can write as z into z. So whenever we have a one variable which is repeated for multiple times, we can write only one time and we can add the power. So here whenever you don't have any power in the variable, meaning that it is x power 1, x power 1. Similarly y power 1, y power 1, z power 1, z power 1. So for 2 times it is repeated, I can write only one time the x and add the power. What are all the powers I have? 1 plus 1. Similarly y, instead of writing 2 times, you write only one time and add the power 1 plus 1. Similarly z, you can write only one time and add the power 1 plus 1. So it is x 1 plus 1 is 2 and y is 1 plus 1, it is 2, and z is 1 plus 1, it is 2, that is x square, y square, z square. And since these three terms are different variables, right, x is different, y is different, z is different, we cannot merge and we can remove the operator, multiplier operator. Why? Because meaning that these three terms are in the multiplication. So the answer is x square, y square, z square for the first problem. Coming to the second problem, the product is given by multiplication of these terms. What are all the multiplication terms? A into minus a square into a cube. So here I don't have any sign, meaning that by default it is plus. Here also plus. So plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. So I have only minus here. Commonly the sign is minus. And then each and every term you have the same variable a. So write a only one time. And what are all the powers you have? Just add. Here I don't have any power, meaning that you have power as 1. So now just add the power value. Here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. So it is minus a, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 it is 6. So minus a power 6 is the answer for the second problem. Coming to the third problem, the product is given by multiplication of these terms. What are all the terms I have? 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16 y cube. So generally the constants we have to multiply first. So what are all the constants? 2, 4, 8, 16. So that you have to multiply first. So 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. That I can multiply first, followed by the variables. What are all the variables available? Y, y square and then y cube. These are all the variables. So 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 into 16 I have. So 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 into 16. Just multiply these values. 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38 and here it is 6, 4. So it is 4, 8 plus 4 it is 12 and then 1 you have and then it is 10, 1024. So constant it is 1024 and then since all the three terms it is having same variable y, just add the power. Whenever you don't have any power value, meaning that it is y power 1. So just add the power value 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 1024 y, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. 1024 y power 6. That is the answer for the third problem. Coming to the fourth problem, the product is given by, the first term it is a, second term it is 2b, third term it is 3c, fourth term it is 6abc. So just multiply the constants. What are all the constants available? 2 into 3 into 6. What are all the variables available? A, here it is b, here it is c, here it is abc. abc I can write it as a into b into c. So 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36. And then a is repeated for 2 times. So I can write it as here a power 1, here a power 1. So one time I can write and add the power 1 plus 1. Similarly b, here b power 1, b power 1. Instead of writing 2 times I can write 1 time and add the power 1 plus 1. C, it is repeated for 2 times. Write c 1 time, add the power. What are all the power? 1 plus 1. So it is 36 a square, b square, c square, because 1 plus 1 it is 2. This is the answer for the fourth problem. Coming to the fifth problem, the product is given by m into minus mn into mnp. So here the first term I don't have any sign, meaning that it is plus. So I will just write here. Here it is plus, here it is minus, here it is plus. Plus into minus minus, minus into plus is minus. So just write the sign as minus. And then what are all the variables available? Here m, n, p are available. So m power it is 1 here, here also m power 1, here also m power 1. Instead of writing 3 times I can write only 1 time and multiply the, add the power values 1 plus 1 plus 1. And then n is repeated for 2 times, n power 1, n power 1. So write only 1 time. What are all the powers? 1 plus 1. And coming to the another variable p, p is repeated only 1 time, so just write as it is. So minus m, 1 plus 1 plus 1 it is 3, and then n, 1 plus 1 it is 2, and then just write p. It is minus m cube n square p. This is the answer for the fifth problem. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.